Understanding, burn someone up, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, burn someone up. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and discover what this idiom means and how to use it effectively. Burn someone up is an idiomatic expression in English that means to make someone very angry or annoyed. It's important to note that this phrase is figurative and doesn't involve any actual burning. Instead, it refers to the intense emotion of anger, similar to how one might feel heat when they are very angry. For example, if someone says, "The way he always interrupts me really burns me up," they mean that they are very annoyed or angry because of the interruptions. Now, let's look at how to use burn someone up in different contexts. This phrase can be used in both formal and informal settings, but it's more commonly seen in casual or informal conversations. 1. In a complaint, "It really burns me up when people don't respect the cue." 2. Expressing frustration, "The constant noise from the construction site is burning me up." 3. Describing feelings, "She was burnt up by his thoughtless comments." Remember, while the phrase can convey strong emotions, it's typically used to express personal feelings rather than to accuse or confront someone directly. Like many idioms, burn someone up can have variations. Here are a few. Burned up, used to describe the state of being angry. E.g., "I was really burned up after the meeting." Burning up, often used to express ongoing anger. E.g., "He's been burning up about that issue for weeks." Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the phrase, burn someone up. We hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom confidently in your conversations. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of learning English, adding color and depth to your communication. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to explore more idiomatic expressions. Happy learning!